Are you encountering the frustrating error 0xc00007b error are related to these? This error often points to compatibility issues between 32-bit applications and 64-bit system. In this video, we will walk you through step-by-step solution to resolve this issue. We will cover reinstalling or repairing the affected applications, updating DirectX, Visual C++ Redistributable, and Net Framework, running applications with administrator privileges, checking for system and drivers updates, and more. Follow along for a comprehensive guide to troubleshoot the error 0xc00007b error. The step number one, reinstall or repair the application. So it's better you can reinstall or download the application and reinstall it, but sometimes people use crack files. In this case, what you can do here, just open your Windows Defender, virus and threat protections, and then manage settings. Scroll down and go into the exclusion options. Now here first you need to add the compressor folder or any folder where you are actually downloading, and also create another folder where you are actually installing this file. So might be you are choosing C drive or somewhere. I'm just showing you a demo. Suppose this is the folder. Now what you can do here, just add that folder over here. Now what will happen if you perform this section? You can read here Microsoft Defender antivirus won't scan items that you have excluded items could contain threat that makes your device vulnerable, so be care about this. Now once you have done this, now try this method, might be your problem should be fixed. Let's move on the step number two, update DirectX. Make sure you have the latest version of DirectX installed. You can download it from the official Microsoft website. Now it's hard to find the exact DirectX, so we are going with the DirectX runtime. Now DirectX end user runtime contain all the versions from here to DirectX 12 even, so you can download this one. Link is mentioned in the description, or just search on the Google DirectX and user runtime web installer. This will solve your issue. Now the step number three, update Visual C++ Redistributable. It will help you to resolve your problem. Many applications require specific version of the Visual C++ Redistributable packages. Make sure you have the necessary versions installed. You can download them from the Microsoft website. So it's better the application that you have downloaded. Just search about the requirements, and then you can also search for Visual C++ Redistributable. It's better you can download all in one Visual C++ redistributable all in one. Once you search this on Google all in one, it will appear in a website Tech Power Up, in which you will get all the latest versions included May 2023, and they are updating every week. So you can download it. Once you download, you will get a zip folder. Just extract it, and in that folder you will get install all.bat. Just run this file, it will install all the versions automatically. Now let's move on the next step, update net framework. Ensure that you have the latest version of net framework installed on your system. So it's available on Microsoft website, net framework. You can also search all in one, you can easily get it, but on the Google you'll get the latest version. So just go ahead and download this one. Now next step, step number five, run as administrator. Try running the application with administratorly privileges. Right click on the application executable and select run as administrator. So in my case, I don't have application right now. Just suppose this is the application. So right click on it and run as administrator. So this will solve your problem. Check for Windows update. Make sure your operating system is up to date. Sometimes system updates can resolve capability issues. So just click on the Windows icon, then go into the settings, update and security. And here you can just click on the search for updates. So this will solve your issues. Check for drivers updates. Outdated or incompatible drivers can also cause this error. Make sure your graphic card drivers in particularly are up to date. So mostly people what actually do, just go into this PC properties, then device manager, and here mostly YouTubers actually prefer you just click on the updates, update drivers, then search automatically for updates. But this actually not work. Windows will search your computer for the best available drivers and install it on your device. So if you don't have any backup in your PC in drivers or CD, so it won't perform any update. What you can do here, browse my computer for updates, or just go here, search automatically for drivers update, and then check for search for update drivers on Windows update. So once you go over there, check for updates. Once you're updating for updates finish, you will get updates in the check the view optional updates. So for the update you can perform from here related to the drivers if available. Or just go on the official website. If you are using the AMD, Nvidia, or Intel, just go on the official website and download the latest version. The last step, check for system file corruptions. Run the system file checker tools to check for and repair corrupted system files. Open command prompt as an administrator and type this command. Just click on the Windows search icon, type CMD, right click on it, run as administrator, type here sfc space slash again now and hit enter. It will take a few minutes, and after verification, if there's any corrupted file, it will repair automatically, and then you can just go to go. One more thing let me discuss here. Might be sometimes some applications or some Windows files are corrupted and it's not easy to repair. So in that case, you can just click here on the Windows icon, then go into the settings and then update and security, and then in the recovery option you'll get here the reset this PC. If your PC is not running well, resetting it might help. This lets you choose to keep your personal files or remove them and then reinstall window. So this is the best option. You can go with these options, whether you go with the keep my files or remove everything. I'm recommending go with keep my files if you have some personal data like images, music, documents, etc. So the upper one option is best. I hope you like this video. If you have any question or any suggested topic, just let me know in the comment section. Till then, just take yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.